Reduce utility bills. Save money, save hassle. Did you know that keeping your lawn costs way more than you think? And it needs to be cut and mowed, which means paying gardeners or buying the equipment and paying for the gas and electricity to do it yourself. It needs to be watered, and local restrictions being brought into place in many states means thirsty brown lawns. Now, this situation doesn't look to be improving anytime soon, but there is a better way to have a great looking yard year round while saving water and money too. And that's with artificial turf, because it looks great, it saves water, and it's low maintenance. You'll save money. The average home will save $300 a month on maintaining real grass. That's $3,600 saved every year. And you can expect 15 to 20 years from your artificial turf. That's $54,000 to $72,000 in savings. And it costs way less than you think. So save money and at the same time get yourself the perfect outdoor space, whether that's for the family or for yourself. So inquire today.